Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to transform anxiety and feeling overwhelmed at work into awareness through meditation. There are several meditation techniques like mental recitation. And what is mental recitation? Mental recitation involves choosing any word, phrase, spiritual prayer, or mantra and repeating it in your mind. This practice also counts as meditation. These basic meditation techniques form the foundation of our meditation practice. But how exactly do they help with anxiety? Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how this will help you with your anxiety and feeling overwhelmed at work. In our usual state of minds, tend to focus on our problems, often exaggerating them and turning small issues into significant sources of stress. I like to refer to the mind as a crazy monkey, always moving and always jumping and constantly seeking stimulation. There was an interesting study where participants had two choices: do nothing for 15 minutes or give themselves an electric shock. Most people choose the electric shock because doing nothing was more uncomfortable for them, and this shows how our minds constantly crave stimulation. Without awareness or meditation training, our minds often lead astray by external forces or environment or situations or ignorance, aversions, and cravings. We lose control of our mind through and become victim of these external influences. Meditation, however, is about consciously guiding your mind by focusing on breath repeatedly. You train your mind to become more pliable and workable. This is similar to going to the gym for physical exercise. Just as physical exercise strengthens your body, mental exercise through meditation strengthens your mind. When I was young, I suffered from a panic attack, and my grandfather told me a breathing meditation. Initially, I thought it was silly because I wanted an immediate solution to my panic attack. The technique involves simply watching my breath. So basically breathing today and then breathing tomorrow and then the next day and keep repeating. And my grandfather advised me not to fight the panic attack but to welcome it. At first I was confused, but eventually I realized that it truly helped. And similarly, if you feel overwhelmed or anxiety at work, try this breathing technique or mental recitation and it will help you calm down. You can take 5 to 10 minutes to do this before you log in into the day at work, and believe me, you will start to feel amazing. So in conclusion, the first step in meditation is breathing and bringing your awareness to your breath or using mental recitation, and this practice helps manage anxiety by preventing the mind from exaggerating problems and guide it towards a state of calm and control. Also remember, meditation is a gradual process. Just with anything else in life, with consistency and practice, you will experience the benefits. So let's continue this journey together with love. And I just want to thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment below about your meditation experience or any question you may have, and see you in the next video.